Sorry guys, I had something was wrong with the title of the stream, so I had to start over. But we are gonna be on in 2 minutes or a minute now, so stay tuned. And if you liked the last streams, please do consider subscribing and smash the like button to show your support. I appreciate it a lot.
Still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything.
So let's start. I could have the music in the background. And if it bothers you, just let me know. Maybe I could tune it down a little bit. Anyways, we always start with looking at this one just to see how the general crypto market is looking. And except for Luna 2, most of them are doing fine. So now back, let's go forward with the charts. The important part. Link is doing nice, 70% daily. But anyways, so remember when I said I'm out here? I didn't mind that it went a little bit higher up. You can you can have a look at my last stream, and there's a lot of things you can learn there because I do show how I think and how I analyze. And let me know your opinions of how you guys do it. This is my way, and this is not financial advice, by the way. I forgot reminding you of that. This is not financial or investment advice. But if you do feel like you're learning from these videos or you find value in them, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button to show your support. I'd appreciate that. Anyway, seems like we're out here, and I think I had another like target for going back somewhere here around these areas, 30,200 or something. If we break down from this level here, there's nothing strange in coming back here, and then we'll see what happens. This is the bottom of the parallel channel, so it's played a big role, as you can see. So we can go down to the midterm moving average. That wouldn't be strange at all. But overall, daily, there's a lot of action going on. I mean, a lot. We've been going like from 5 to 10% for a few days now. This is 7.8%, 8% almost price action. And here we have, okay, 3, not that much. 4% price action here. Like there's a lot of swings up and down. By the way, guys, where I live in Europe, this it's like 3:40 a.m. now, so it's very, very late. But I thought you guys could maybe would like a live stream. So I'm on live, but it's pretty late where I live. But I thought maybe, people who are interested would appreciate this. So the daily candle opened at 31,126 above the heart line, but it doesn't say much if we don't close above it as well. RSI is in neutral area, sits around 50, and nothing indicating bearish divergence or anything. Yes, I'm sorry, I take that back. We do indeed have something indicating bearish divergence on the long term action on the daily. This is why I was saying that this these price actions can very well be bull traps. Until we kind of break back in this range. Somebody asked me in one of my streams if a bull trap was possible, and I explained, yeah, why fake outs and bull traps were possible in those market conditions. You guys can maybe try to find it in one of the streams. Because it's gonna take time for me to go back, because I think it's 2 weeks ago or something like that, probably. Short term, meaning 4 hourly. Wait, did we cover the daily completely or not? By the way, guys, this is on KuCoin. I thought maybe most look there, but if you want me to start charting it on Binance instead, let me know. Some people could have probably bought in these areas. They may be stressing out right now. But I did say earlier in my last stream, I'm out from from the paper trade I was talking about since I got in here and I decided to go out here. I went out somewhere around these areas and I didn't mind the fact that it went a bit higher because I did say I was just gonna observe now what happens, but I expected it to have some resistance here because these are supply levels that I went out from. So if people are panicking why it happened, how it happened, it's when you analyze it, when you technically analyze it, you can see that it's because there's a support, there's a supply level here. We can have a look at Ethereum. I'm not sure, but I think we talked about this in the last stream. You guys can have a look. Another supply level filled, and these levels have been very, very crucial. This range here, it's been acting as a demand level for a very long time here too. This is the hourly, so you can see it very, very, very clearly. We can have a look at the daily. We could have some sideways action here. We are not oversold, we are not overbought, we are not even like we're somewhere around the 40 areas. We're kind of bearish. Yeah, RSI bearish. 12 hourly, not saying much. We are in this range. We could come to touch the short-term moving average, but there's nothing much going on until we at least get back above 1915, 1915 or 17, like literally the same level as I was speaking of last week. short term, we do have some bullish divergence building. Or maybe it's already happened. I mean, crypto these days has been going like this. You don't even notice sometimes what's going on. It's just like a roller coaster, up and down. So it is late here, but I was thinking of the people around India, California, New York. I think you're awake. Australia, Tokyo, I think you're awake. China, I think you're awake. But Europe, beautiful Europe, is sleeping right now. Well, at least where I am, people are sleeping. So if you like the stream, don't forget to subscribe for more and show your support and smash the likes as well. Show me some support and love. So Ethereum, that was it. Looks like both have hit critical price levels, both of them. So we can have a look at the next one. Link, 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 Chainlink. There we go. I have to say, Link is still not looking bad. A pullback is close, but it's not looking bad. We can still rally and hit these targets. Looks like it. First target. I need to make this second target's color darker so we know a difference. But these are the targets that I see. You guys can do your own research, but this is what I'm following and eyeing. But first target right here. We do have probable resistance around 10.8. So if you break that, next levels are around these areas. 13.3, 13.8. But a pullback is due. I mean, we are building bearish divergence already, unless this goes a bit higher and matches the price. We do have volume, so that is possible. We have 2 hours left of the 4-hourly candle. So Link is not looking bad. Chainlink is looking good. Link is looking good. Right. I forgot to tweet this out. I should have done it from the beginning, but I'm just gonna do it now. So tweet is done and I am back. So Link is looking good. What else? What else? What else? What else? Luna. I've been saying Luna is gonna go down since like a few days ago, and I'm talking about Luna too. And it was not looking good the last time I checked. It looks wrecked. And no, this is not Luna Classic. This is Luna 2. The new Luna. But yes, I did say, looks like we could have a reversal coming soon. But first, we can go all the way low to those lows. We can. It is possible. Imagine if this just crashes like Luna, but I think there's some type of wedge. I might go ahead and draw one now and see what's up with Luna 2. Looks like it. Looks like a wedge. We actually broke out of it earlier, but when we were retesting it, we failed, and now we're holding these areas. So yes, there's a wedge, fake breakout, and we're back down. So Luna, very short term, we can go lower, but we are in demand levels areas. Maybe buyers waiting here, buying here soon, or maybe because it's Luna, everybody's getting the hell out because someone is behind this new Luna too, just like they were behind Luna Classic. I don't know, but I don't know that much about the fundamentals. I just update you with the news and rumors and stuff. Technical is saying soon we are gonna have a reversal to this upside, but right now we are in demand levels. Luna. Yeah, I think I was speaking about it when we were here, and I said something like, if we break those levels, we are done. For that reason, I've been saying it's gonna go down more, and it has. Same with this one, Luna Classic. The moment we broke this level, also, we've gone down even more. Wow, how is this even possible? Around 40% in only 4 days. So if you thought Luna couldn't get worse, hmm, hmm, guys, like, wow, really, I feel for everyone that's even bought at these areas. Maybe some miracle can happen. I do believe in miracles. Maybe some miracle can happen, and one day Luna will make us turn our heads twice. And I'm talking about Luna Classic. But if not even Luna 2 is doing well, altcoins look wrecked. Question to my title: altcoins wrecked? Yes, altcoins wrecked. Not all of them, but some of them very much wrecked. like the Luna Classic and the other copycat Luna 2. Cardano, what is going on with Cardano? Oh, looks like we want to hit our other level too. But looks like it's gonna have a nice pullback as well. We are in supply levels here. RSI is in bullish territory, so we might have some more upside to go. It's possible looking at this. We can go higher. I don't know what fundamentals there is with ADA, Cardano going on. When I did this, when I made this box after doing some technical analysis live, it was only based. What else? We've had a look at Luna. We've had a look at Ethereum. We've had a look at Link. Solana. Solana. So not looking bad. Looks like we're losing negative momentum, but there's nothing saying that there is bullish divergence going on. We're just following the MACD and the RSI is just following the price action. We did hit our supply level here. And I was actually expecting more downside for Solana, maybe all the way here. I just don't feel, even though like daily's not looking that, we're still in bearish territory, but and we did close with a bad candle yesterday, so 3 days is showing some is trying to build, well, is kind of building bullish divergence right now. Nothing complete yet though. I don't know about Solana. I don't know. Just everything. Like some of them look like Luna in a way. Like Luna. I mean, they're acting like Luna Classic did, except that they didn't crash immediately at once in 2 days or 3 days. But I mean, they're well, the bear trend confirmed very much. Those mini pumps maybe get some people hyped up, but they're probably good trades, that's why. But we're not in a bull trend, not even close. We hit our first target, we're close to coming back to these demand levels. We have resistance here. If we can't break it, the chances are we come back first here. We never came back to test these targets. Or we did 1, 2, 3. So people had a chance to get out, like, if not here, here, and if not here, here, and here also. These are long-term targets. These targets are in case we break $10. Then I expect a little bit more further action to the upside. Back to Bitcoin. I have another analysis I've done on another chart, also Bitcoin, but I mean on another chart, literally. That's why I don't have all these drawings, which probably confuse some of you, but I think you guys see what I see. It's holding perfectly too. It does feel good when you get out and the market just doesn't go to the upside, because I told you guys it's cool because I was confident in my own analysis, so I don't mind. Altcoins really look bad in general. The crypto bubbles map that I usually show, it's more for like something fun to have a look at, but I always have to look at TradingView to have a better look at what's going on. We are at GRT, daily looking weak. We are in bearish territory. Five days. We have, look, this should be, sorry, this should be blue. Maybe dark blue, wait. Dark blue, second target, long term. And this one, light blue, short term. Okay, now we're good to go. So we are in demand levels, building positive momentum. Volume is not looking so good. Nothing convincing us. Pump is on the way, even though we are in supply levels. I mean in demand levels, demand areas. This is GRT, yes, yes. GRT. I mean, 4-hourly is 4-hourly short-term moving average crossed midterm, which is good. We are between them right now. We do not have any divergence. Short term, let me double check. On the MACD at least, there's none. But we do have bullish divergence on the RSI. Yep. So we could see 0.16 level. somewhere from it could come back here. We're speaking short term now. I have to find another lighter color so we don't get them confused. Because it's three targets, as you can see: short term, mid, like this is mid to short term, this is short term, and this a bit later. But it's not so strong, it's not looking strong generally. All moving averages are trending downwards. Short term is below midterm, midterm is below long term. So generally not looking so good. So the targets I'm speaking about is very much short term. I do not think we can come back to this level if we can't even have a candle above this one closed first. Above, let me zoom in. Above 0 point, let's just say somewhere above these levels. If we don't close above this level here, then yeah. Altcoins look wrecked pretty much. And this is the thing with the crypto market. You have to take it day by day. I mean, you have to look at the market daily to have a better understanding. And for those of you who can't, this is why, like, I'm trying, for example, because I can understand that some people don't have like a lot of time, because this takes a lot of time to do this, or to do all this. So I hope those kind of streams that I'm making help you like see the picture I'm seeing, which I think, I believe makes it easier for me. The analysis I do like keeps me from panicking. It keeps me from stressing out. Sometimes I get shocked because we don't know what the market like does. We can never know. So sometimes it shocks you. It goes the opposite way of what you were thinking because of fundamentals or news, or like a lot of things can affect the crypto market. But the important thing is to keep a close eye on it. ADA just touched this short-term moving average. It's very important we break it and we hold above it to see these targets at least. Cardano. Wow, it's getting like lighter outside. Sun is rising. Do you see how much I want to share my analysis with you guys? Because I really like think sharing is caring, first of all. But secondly, I feel like all those years I've spent like back testing and learning and all this has, I've seen like on my own um, paper trades, I've seen how kind of like it's I'm pretty, I'm not bad. There like there are people who are um, very good at technical analysis, and these are the people I learned from because they were like very good, and I'm thankful that I like have this education because as you can see, uh, maybe people are panicking because they bought Bitcoin somewhere here, I don't know, or here. We've been cool. I've been cool. I've been cool because I know like where the demand level can be. Like, no, I don't know, but I have I've I've done technical analysis, so I minimize uh the risks of not like knowing the area and like making the chances of me making better like decisions. You understand the difference? So education is power. Simple. And I hope you guys really find value in all of this. So back to Cardano. I have another screen that's closer to me because the one you guys are looking at is a bit further. But every time I try to find it on the other one, it's because I think I'm changing screens. It takes me a little bit of time. Just a moment. There, found it. Okay. So 4 hourly, we could have some more push to the upside, but after we hit those targets, I'm expecting short-term pullback because doesn't look like MACD is already kind of building like some type of bearish divergence. So hourly is the last time I was streaming, like we were just somewhere here. I don't remember exactly where, but or maybe we're here. Let me look at the time. Or even better, let me try to find the stream. This is from my last stream. Let's look. Sorry. Here we go. Here is the moment. Building on the green side. Maybe I can zoom in. This is from my last stream, okay, guys? My other computer is like a bit slow. I mean, not. And then our we the very short term was also hit. If you these buying levels were hit, the mini buying level on the very short term was also hit. If you look at it, zoom in. If I zoom in and we get into it, daily is looking good. These are selling levels. That's why you see people sold here, and then buying levels, people bought here. Okay, hourly candle not looking so. An inverted hammer right here. I think a reversal is coming, maybe now even. Remember this candle? It's indicating a reversal. So you guys can see I was already talking about a reversal happening somewhere there with this candle. I can just close the stream now. And it was this candle right here. And we did reverse. We kind of came all the way to the support line of the Ichimoku. We did not get all the way to my like demand level that I had set up here, but almost close, very close. From that candle, we went down like 5% in 2 hours. Oh, sorry, wrong. Like 7% in 4 hours. So we did have our pullback. This is the demand level I had for it. I'm not gonna change it or anything like that. But you guys can see since then we've pulled up again. So I did say this was a very short-term opinion I had for the pullback. If you guys go back to the stream and look at it as well, you can check it out there. This is the second target. If we break out of these areas, this is next. This blue box here. So ADA looking good. Short term looking good. Let's have a look at Sol. It's interesting right now. Look, shooting star. We went down immediately after it. Ada, Sol is holding on. Holding by a thread, but holding on. I wonder what happened to you, Soil, after that stream I made where I said a pump was due. I think it was somewhere here when I made the stream. We did go down after it a little bit, but I was not worried or anything like that because, like, worried about my own technical analysis because, of course, you want to be right, but you can also be wrong because you do not like you can make wrong analysis, like maybe you analyze something or something is going on in the fundamental sides. Anyway, I wasn't worried about me being wrong about what I thought about it going up, and it looks like we are gonna continue up. We are not done. I think 2 weeks ago or something, I said gold was not looking so good. I think we were somewhere here, maybe. Maybe here, I don't know. Anyway, we went up a little bit after that, and we are back down. Long, like gold, I am like bullish long term, but right now, right now, or since like 2 weeks ago or something, I haven't been like, yeah, but the moment we get back above this trend line, maybe short term I'm gonna be bullish too, but not right now. Midterm I'm not, so like it's okay. Um, what else? What else? Thor chain. Oh. If these were trades, I would have made it. I would have made bank these days because yeah, look at this level filled perfectly. Reversal candle going back down, and now looks like we're getting filled here, and looks like we're making. Oh wait, do I see an invert name? No, it's not. But on the 4 hourly, we do have higher lows. 1, 2, 3, so far at least. But then if this breaks, then that pattern is broken. So store chain. There is no divergence of any sort. I think we should stick with Bitcoin because I want to see if what I like analyzed, predicted, whichever you guys want to call it, is playing out. I am just gonna check one thing, one moment. So it's just easier for me to bring it to a closer screen. Just a moment. Oh, wrong. Okay. And it's back. Yes, this is a new box, peeps, and I'm gonna change this to, now if I change it, you guys are gonna confuse it with my last streams. Look, I hope a lot of you like get to see those streams because like one day I will have to remove all those old targets because I'm gonna be drawing new ones. By the way, if you like the stream so far, subscribe and hit the like to show your support. I'd appreciate it very much. So now that I'm out around these areas, I'll be eyeing this area, which is somewhere right around the bottom of the parallel channel. Now I'm thinking, let's see now. We might be seeing a pullback already, like now, currently, as I'm speaking. We might see a pullback take us all the way back to the midterm moving average around the blue lines or the like light orange box I have around these areas in this area. Tricky, tricky. Bitcoin. Look at this long wick. And this some sort of doji. I just do not like this. The thing is, we are above the heart line still. Oh, it's holding so perfectly here. Uh-oh. Don't tell me technical analysis doesn't work. People who say that do not know how it works. They don't know how to manage it. Technical analysis, like, is one of the most, like, things that give meaning to things. I used I used to learn with so much like excitement when I used to listen to those who were like who paved this way for us to learn. Like they were so good and it's so exciting. So I hope I'm making it exciting for you guys too. Those I learned from, they are pros. There's I don't know if you've heard this name before, Steve Nielsen. I think that's how you pronounce it. Just a moment, let me check it out. Steve Nissen, sorry. Steve Nissen, not Steve Nielsen. I always confuse them. Steve Nissen, like the best teacher. He's like a professor when it comes to technical analysis, um, candlestick patterns, and like one of the best educations. Like I recommend it to people who want to learn. And then we do have there is another YouTuber that I like. He's the only one, otherwise I don't watch at all because I don't have time. Um, and when you're busy doing your own analysis, you really don't have time to like look at other people, but I used to see him now and then, and I thought he was like a good professional, and I think he's certified as well. Um, Otherwise, it's very hard to find so many like good teachers, I think, because I don't know. So now I'm just trying to share my knowledge, my what I've learned of all those of all this, like for all this time, what I've learned, I'm sharing it with you. And I'm the type who would rather not share if I'm not sure about something. Because when I learn something, I like to perfect it. Otherwise, I'd rather say, I don't know. Simple. There's no point in like hyping up and trying to do stuff and say stuff which is untrue just to get viewers. I can do a lot of kind of shows if I wanted viewers, but I also am doing this for people who actually want to learn. It's quality content from me to hopefully quality people too. So this crypto then is just gonna make quality and not nothing else. And the best quality hopefully is what I'm aiming for. And hopefully quality realizes quality. YouTube audio library. It had actually some songs and melodies that I liked, so I'm gonna keep it in the background. Bitcoin, we're kind of stuck there. Link, let's see what's Link doing. I do not like this candle, another doji. This is hourly. Pullback was due, I did say it, but I still think we're gonna hit our targets. This might be just a short pullback, nothing wrong with that. It's okay. I'm expecting a nice pullback though after we hit our targets. But bearish divergence is building 4 hourly, so be aware. Link. I wonder how much it's gone down since the all-time highs. Whoa. You see what I mean when I was saying like, why do most people look like Luna? It's because of, okay, Link is down 89% from the highs of $53 in May 2021, exactly a year ago. Link is down minus 90%. Okay, not exactly a year ago. The magnet thing is a bit a year and 1 month ago, something like that. 90% Chainlink. But Chainlink is one of these, like, what can I call it? Like OGs in crypto. I mean, it's existed, I think, maybe since 2018, maybe 2017. I don't know, something like that. So it's not a new coin like many new coins that exist. Oh, sorry guys, had to sneeze. Sorry. And I'm back. Sorry guys, had to sneeze and stuff. So we've already gone through most coins, the top ones, main ones for today, like Link, Luna Classic, Luna 2, Ethereum, Solana. AVAX, Avalanche. We are still actually around the demand levels. Short-term demand level. We hit short-term target to the upside. Supply levels here. Waves. Yeah, we already hit short-term targets. This box is for midterm targets, as you can see. Um, we have bearish divergence building, so I'm expecting us to come back lower, somewhere around these areas. If we don't hold around 5.7, 5.76, we can go much lower. Phantom around demand level. Hmm. So out of all these coins we've been, wow, look at Adam. Anyways, out of all these coins we were looking at, Chainlink seems to be the only one like that's a bit strong. And Anchor, we are gonna have a look at Anchor. We didn't, but I'll tell you why it looks strong. Look at this. Atom had broken this descending triangle. We broke down to the downside. We broke down out of it, but we are above it and we are holding. There was a bullish divergence here, hence the pump. Unless we're above midterm moving average, there's not much exciting really here. Anchor. So I did say like I jump in around these areas, and I didn't say where I'm gonna be getting out of the trade, but somewhere here around these areas. Let's just say 0.21. So 0.21. And got in at what's this? 0.16. Got in at 0.16. And I want to get out in 0.21. I'm just gonna write it down just a moment. Hopefully it doesn't disappear from my computer because that happens very often. Something, I don't know, something up with it. Anyway, that would make around 30% profit, which is good. Did I just say a pullback is due? Yes, I think I said that a few minutes ago. And I like the fact that it's playing out. So we could see 30,200. And if this is actually, if there's actually strength to the upside, we shouldn't break down out of this channel. Like 30,150 should hold. We break down below it, we're probably gonna go back to this demand level again. short term, very short term. Everything I was just talking about right now. And if we break this, we can see 2800. We can see these levels again. And if we break this, we'll take it next time, because that's another discussion. So Bitcoin critical levels hit. It hit here when we talked about it in the last stream. We kind of made this target before it happened, and it hit here as well. And I told you guys before it continued up, I am out in my like in the paper trade I was speaking out about. I am out, and I don't care if it went up. I'm good. It's good profit from here to here. Oh, by the way, guys, did I say I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not investment advice? So remember that. Always do your own research. And if you feel like you are learning from these videos or you find value in them, consider subscribing and hitting the like button to show your support. Thank you. So I'm very, very tired now. It's 5 a.m. I have to get up and, well, I'm not gonna be sleeping now. There's no point. So I have to go and do some other things soon. You know, life. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I really hope so. As much as I've enjoyed it, because I've enjoyed making this nice technical analysis, and I've enjoyed it playing out as well. And I haven't been panicking or and I don't there's no reason for me to be sad and stuff like that, because I would be if I bought at these areas around 31,000 or 30,000 even. Not 30,000, I mean 30,767. Nope, I wouldn't be happy. But if you bought around these areas, around 30,000, like 150, or around these areas, like 29,500 or 29,200, there is no reason to be mad or sad or anything like that. It's okay. This was expected. TA respected. It puts a smile to your face, you see? So Bitcoin critical levels hit. Ethereum critical levels hit. I do not think Link is done on the daily, but expecting a short-term pullback. Yes. You see, we do have this reversal candle here, another doji sort also. Pullback is expected. Now we can come all the way to this moving average around 7.5 or 7.6, but it would still be a higher low on the 4 hourly. Check this out. Higher low, higher low, higher low. If we come back to retest this levels, just a moment, let me bring you closer to me so I can give you a better analysis. Okay, we can, looks like we can come back to these areas, like $8 or something like that. If we break those levels, then yeah, we can come back to all the way to 7.46 or something. And if we break that, we'll take the level later. Maybe I should make this longer this way. Oh, it aligns with the short-term moving average on the hourly. You guys ask why? Why did I put the demand level here? All support should act as resistance now, but I am expecting pullback first before anything else. Hourly is saying that. Not hourly, 4 hourly is saying that, so let it come. But this long-term target is not out of sight. Well, not long-term, mid-term target is not out of sight. Mid-term to short-term, let's put it that way. Mid-term later would be somewhere around the 30. Oh, I have a box here. Yeah, we'll take it later. Well, let's hit these targets first. XRP, let's have a look at XRP as well. XRP army is not happy right now. Ooh, pullback was due. At least in the short term. We can't seem to even hold above the Tenkan-sen. But like right below it. Rejected twice also here, right by it. On the daily. It's XRP, like it's trying its best, but even worse, we already have bearish divergence on the daily. And the 4 hourly as well. So this inverted hammer was worth nothing right now, at least, even though we are building bullish divergence on the weekly. Doesn't really matter. The short term is looking weak, so I wouldn't touch it. Not right now. I think there are better demand levels coming the way it's going. XRP wrecked, altcoin wrecked. What else? BNB. BNB hit the target I was expecting. Very, very close. Not, I mean, very, very close. Look, it's very, very close. Yeah, I expect us to go lower. We are losing positive momentum on the MACD. RSI in bearish territory. Sell volume pressure is building. Everything on the daily is screaming it's not good. And this BNB, surprising. So we are going lower. Okay, guys. I might come back again in a few hours. I think we've already spoken about the targets that could be, or like different price action scenarios. Maybe I can put this like this. Seems like everything is happening like very, very fast in Bitcoin and crypto these past days. Hence why I've been saying most of the analysis I've been making these past two streams, this one and the last one, it's been literally for short term. Even the last one before it. I mean, we're just like going up and down like there's nothing, there's no issue. You gotta love it, the crypto markets. Well, you hate it sometimes too, but you gotta love it. We are breaking trend line, huh? I mean hard line. If you guys are enjoying the stream, the show, finding value, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like. I'd appreciate it. I think I will be going off soon, ending the live stream, and maybe I'll try to come back in the noon for like the rest of the world that's been sleeping. But I do appreciate everybody that's been with me in this stream. Oh yeah, by the way, I read in the news that UK's finance ministry said that the country will begin testing of crypto blockchain technology for traditional market activities, which is nice. UK going in the right direction. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's see. Is the analysis I talked about gonna play out? Yeah, it's holding at that very important level. We're right at it right now and we're breaking down. Only half an hour left till the 4 hourly candle closes. Interesting times. There's been so many traps in the crypto market. I hope everybody has been doing like safe trades, setting up stop losses, minimizing your risks. We can look at something that's fun while we look at this chart, and it's how much has been liquidated. Oh my God, guys, this is awful. This is bad. Lord. 24 hours, 86 million total liquidated in 24 hours. Longs and shorts are almost in the same level. 40 million longs liquidated, 46 million longs, shorts liquidated. BTC USDT, shorts wrecked. Ethereum, shorts wrecked. Solana, shorts wrecked. GMT, longs wrecked. AVAX, shorts wrecked. Wow, wow. Waves, it's so close. Waves wrecked both of y'all. Waves wrecked everybody. What the? Link shorts 1.3 million. This is 24 hours. The crypto market is playing ping pong with people's wallets. FTX. So most people are wrecked in FTX. And then Binance Futures comes in second place. Oh, okay. According to this site, we're not in bearish zones anymore. According to me, I cannot really agree with you yet, really. Selling pressure is 56%, buying pressure is 43. It's still leaning towards the bearish side, so I guess I agree with it on second thought. Anyway, Ban has, yeah, so much money gone. So sad. So very sad. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna go out now. We are around the around my buying targets, but I want to see if we hold this level. If we do, I don't think it's a bad idea to get in for some action. But we are below the parallel channel again. Again. Hopefully, we don't break down below these levels. And if we do, okay, fine. It's demand levels here. Hopefully, we don't break down further than 28,855. Because if we do, yeah, we can take it on the next stream. That'll be a discussion for the next one. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for your support. If you find value in those streams, in these shows, in those shows, please consider subscribing and hitting that like. It does support the stream, and it's always more fun for me as a creator if there are more people engaged in the stream when I'm streaming. Um, Otherwise, it's kind of boring for me. But luckily, I like doing technical analysis. But of course, it's much more fun if you guys like are engaged. So share it with your friends. If you find value in it, you don't have to do it. I'm just saying, if you find value in it, go ahead and do it. Um, Take care. Remember, if if you have always a plan when it comes to trading, you're gonna minimize the risks of failing. So remember that. Till next time, take care.